everyone, Teresa here, Carolina Girl Reads. Hello friends, subscribers, old ones, new ones. Welcome everybody. I'm here today. I'm just going to be doing a little short one now. Well, what I call short, y'all know me. But I'm going to be doing a bow, a winter bow. And I have some subscribers and friends that say they're still having trouble making a bow. Well, this one's going to be done by hand, and actually, I can do it. And it's one I learned, so it's so easy, and I call it my big design bow. And you're going to love it. It reminds me of the bows that you see on the store packages sometimes, or fancy gifts or whatever. But anyway, we're going to be doing that. But first of all, just let me say again, hello everyone. And I want to share briefly to my friends on here and subscribers that know me. Gosh, I'm overwhelmed with some of the comments just by being back with a couple of videos that, I know everybody don't watch me. I know, and I know everybody's not lined up like at the movies. But you know, it just touches me to think someone takes time enough to write me and say, hey, Teresa, welcome back. You know, one of my little friend subscribers, Jeannie, hey honey, she said, Teresa, I keep checking back every day. You know, guys, that means so much to me. Sometimes just a word to somebody, that's all it takes. So I thank you all, okay? I thank you all. Today, it's a sunny day here in North Carolina where I live, but it's cold. And I think you ones up north and in the middle, wherever you might be, got some snow and stuff. I keep up with the Weather Channel with you all. And gosh, y'all got it. But I think next week we're going to get down in the 1920s here. So, ooh, we're not kind of used to that. But I'm still waiting on that snow. So, okay, today we're going to get busy. Thank you again for being with me. All you're going to need today for this bow here is a pair of scissors. And I have chose this pretty snowflake ribbon because it's wintertime. I'm going to make me a big one. I think I might put this on my mailbox or somewhere. And a pipe cleaner. So I think if I'm right, that's all we need. Because guys, it's been a while since I've done some of this stuff myself. It really has. And those of you that are faithful to me and know me, thank you for staying with me even if I do mess up. It's just probably going to take some time because I know I will. But anyway, I just want one more last thing. I want to welcome this lady. Her name's Lisa. I got to say this. Lisa, hello, honey, if you found me today. I'm so glad she told me she found my video. And this lady was a blessing to me already just through her story she shared with me. She's a crafter. So, you know, I just want to say welcome, Lisa. And you keep crafting. You get back in it yourself. I just want to say that, y'all, and every one of you, I can name all your names. Oh, I've got them somewhere. And those of you that talk to me frequently, I think about you all, but I appreciate every one of you, okay? So here we go. We're going to get on with our, making our winter bow. Alrighty? So, be right back. I'm going to take a bathroom break. I got to go. Be right back. Okay, I'm back. So here's what we're going to do. I have took my ribbon I showed you, and I have cut 8 pieces at 28 inches, okay? You can do it shorter, you can do it as long as you like, but I kind of stick to this size, okay? So it depends on how big you want yours. So I've cut 8 strips of this at 28 pieces, 20 inches, and I'm using all the same print today. Now you can mix and match. If you mix and match prints, that's fine. So let's get busy, okay? All right, so here we go. Learn to work my old goose camera here again. I've gotten out of the whack of that. So I'm just going to lay my pieces down. Well, let's just say this, okay? Okay, I've got 8 pieces of the same ribbon. I'm going to lay them here 2, 4, to show you something. 2, 4, 6, and 8. Can you see that, guys? Okay, 2, 4, 6, and 8. Now, I just want to show you this because if you were mixing prints and all, let's just say if this was a different color here, and another color here, and another color, what you do with that is you just mix and match. Does that make sense? I'm not making sense, I know. Okay. But I guess you can see better when I get to making it what I mean. Okay, so what we're going to do, take your first piece of ribbon, fold it in half. Okay? Now, you can do this now, or you can do it after you make your bow. I'm going to go ahead and ducktail mine to give it that pretty look. So if you've never ducktailed, you just fold your ribbon at the bottom, fold it in half, and you'll go into the crease. Slant at a crease, into the crease. Okay, and there you'll have your ducktail already done. So I like to do mine before I make my bow, because when I have my bow made, I forget all of it. So what we're going to, let's do this. Go ahead and do all your ribbons, fold in half. Fold them all in half. See, I'm already doing silly, guys, because I'm confusing you probably, and I'm sorry. Just fold all your ribbon strips in half. Okay, that we cut. Fold them all in half. I'll make one of different colors sometime or different prints. That way I won't confuse you. Okay, so we're going to fold them all in half. 28 inches here. I love this ribbon. I think I actually got it at Hobby Lobby when they had a sale a while back, and I had just enough to do this bow. Okay, so there we go, and I'm going to go ahead and do all my ducktails. It's totally up to you. Remember just to fold them and cut in the crease. Should have had that done, but if you don't know how to do one, is there anybody that don't know how to do one? Well, I didn't know for a while. There we go. Just go ahead and make them. Like I said, it's a lot easier for me to do it before I make my bow, because this bow makes a really big bow, and I have forgot a lot of them before. Okay, so there we go. And I hope everybody's doing okay today. I really do. All right, here we go. Okay, they're all ducktailed now. They're ready to go with their... Okay, so all we're simply going to do here, when they're folded in half and ducktailed, take your first one, lay it on your mat, however best is measured for you. You can just use your eyeballs or however you choose. And I'm going to give mine about 4 inches here. I know you probably can't see on my mat, but 4 inches. I'm going to take my fingers and pinch her right there. I'm going to pinch her. Let's see, get my camera right. Pinch her right like that. Okay. I'm going to grab the other one. Same thing. Find 4 inches there. Pinch her. Just keep on putting it on top of your other ribbon. Okay. 4 inches pinch. You can do as much as you want. 4 inches. However, because this is going to be making your loops. Okay. Your hand might get a little full. If it does, you know, you might maybe pinch a few and set them to the side. And then put them all together. The idea is just to get them all like that, okay? Pinch right here. Put it in the bundle there. Okay. Pinch again. So I think you know about eight's all I can handle in my hand. Pinch again. But when I saw this method, guys, y'all probably already know how to do it. And if you do, I'm proud of you. The last one, gonna pinch again. But I thought, man, that's such a simple bow. Surely I can do that. So here we go. We've got them all pinched together here. Okay? And just take your pipe cleaner, whatever you choose to use, or even a zip tie. You can use a zip tie and a pipe cleaner. But I'm just going to take this here, holding the best you can. Grab them all together. All together and as tight as you can. My little thumb's glad to be back to work too, guys. For those of you that don't know, I had surgery on it, but it's sad. It's so good to be back and doing something. Okay, so just want to twist it as tight as you can. The better, because you're going to be fluffing these loops out and all, and tails, and you want to stay together, okay? There we go. Now, when you get through, it's going to look something like this, okay? And I'm going to color like my little octopus here, because what we're going to do now, I'm going to try to take your tails and spread them all out like you're going to set them down on the table here like that. There we go. And we're just going to work our tails. Work your tail part out, spread them out. Okay, spread them out. What I was trying to say a while ago, though, if you was doing different colors and prints, see, they would be rotated. That's what I was getting at. And I didn't mean to throw that in there and confuse you, because we can always make one out of different colors another time. So there we go. Just keep spreading your little tails out. Okay, and see, I got my little octopus friend. That's what I call her, guys. So I hope you can see that. Okay. So see how neat that is? Just spread it all out here. Then we're just going to work with our loops. Just going to work with our loops. And you're just going to pull them. Insert your hands in them, pull them apart. Opening them up. And totally this is up to you, how you want them. How you want them to look and placed. It may take a little working with, but you'll get it. I think it's pretty no matter how. The few I've made, they've come out really nice. And like I say, I just love it. And it's made by hand. So, just love this method. Just making sure you get all of them up there. Let's see. I don't have no fingernails, so hard to open the loop sometimes. But just open them up and spread them out best you can all the way around to your exact where you want it, how you like it. Okay, so when you get through, you got 2, 4, 6, 8 loops. I still have to count, guys. So look at that beautiful bow there. Can you see the beautiful bow here and all? It's a big, beautiful bow. So all you're going to do now, you pull your pipe cleaner down here in the center. Hold on to it. That's what I do. Just hold on to the pipe cleaner. And then go ahead with your tails, bring them down and curl them under a little bit. Just like you would if you was on your wreath. Just get your hand up in there and curl them under. Give them a little curl under here. I love the pretty blue here. It does remind me of winter. It makes me feel cool too. It's a pretty color, pretty. So those of you who are getting some snow, I know it's probably a pain, especially if you're in those areas that has, oh my God, I couldn't believe the places I saw. But just stay warm, stay safe, and just take it as it comes. And okay, got a few under here to get open. So here we go, guys. When you get through, you've got this big, beautiful, let me see if I can get this better for you to see here. See her here, how pretty she's turned out? big full bow on top here. And her little tail's hanging down. And you keep working with the way you know how. Okay, the way you do. There you go. I love her. So see how easy that was? It was really easy bow to make by hand. And I love it. And she probably will go on my mailbox. Hey, I like to decorate stuff. I do. I like to decorate anything I find to put it on. Okay, there we go. There's a big designer bow, I call it. All right? So guys, try it. Try it. It's so easy. It's so easy. And the more you make, the better you get. Excuse me. So thank you for joining me today for this video. I'm going to be getting ready to do a wreath soon, within the next few days. Okay? So I hope you'll come back for that. I'm probably going to throw a few little ones here now and then. But I wanted to share this with you today. Especially for the lady that said she, I think it was Lisa, said she had forgotten how to make a bow, or Jeannie, one gotten out of hand making one. It's been a while, but try this if you never tried it. It's so easy. Okay? So, have a great January day. And like I say, I hope everybody's okay. And if you're in the storms, I'm praying for you. It'll be all right. The sun will shine tomorrow. Okay? Till next time, guys. Bye-bye.